On a winter's night, there was a very strong blizzard, and it made snow go up to 5 feet high. Some people played in the blizzard. Most people just stayed inside. There was one person who decided to stay inside and create some apple cider. They had some apple cider in a pot over a hot fireplace and saw that it was starting to boil, kind of like a tea kettle, when it's ready to be removed from the stove. And what they found was it was just a tea kettle. And when they had the water, when it was really hot, they found there was just some apple cider lying around. And so they boiled it, and when they boiled it, they were able to drink it, but they had to sip it because it was extremely hot. It had been on the fireplace for a very long time. And then some guests came in, and the person said to the other one, "Would you like some apple cider?" "Yes, I would. That'd be really nice." And so they drank some apple cider together while they viewed the other people from a window outside playing in the snow with the blizzard going. And it was all perfectly safe, except the snow was 5 feet high. And the house was elevated because it was built for the winter climate and the blizzards that come every year. The end.